Hey guys, a quick shout out to all my Patreon supporters. Really appreciate your contributions and show of support. For those who wish to consider supporting my work, links in the description below. Now on with the video. Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we'll be trying out the business class seat on Singapore Airlines Boeing 737 MAX, which was introduced back in 2021 and is unique to the MAX. Singapore Airlines flights to Southeast Asian destinations depart from Changi Airport Terminal 2, which has recently reopened after a 2-year revamp during the pandemic. Business and first class passengers have a dedicated line at row 12. The 737 MAX is a narrow-body, single-aisle aircraft with only 2 pairs of doors. All passengers board from the front door, and economy class passengers have to walk past the business class cabin on the way to their seats, which can lead to some awkwardness. There are 10 business class seats on Singapore Airlines 737 MAX. Upholstered in a dark grey leather finish with hints of burnt orange, these seats measure up to 22 inches in width, 44 inches in pitch, or the distance between headrests, and reclines into a 76-inch fully flat bed. They are laid out in 3 rows. The first and last rows are in a 2-2 configuration, while the middle rows feature the coveted throne seats in a 1-1 configuration. These seats offer the greatest privacy and personal space. Singapore Airlines has restored hard copy menus in first and business class, a change that would likely please most travelers in those cabins. Going over some of the features of the seat, the right console sports a convenient universal power outlet and USB charging port. Left console houses a large storage compartment, headphone holder, audio jack, another USB charging port, and an adjustable reading light. The left console surface has a cup holder, as well as seat and lighting controls. The leather armrest flips up to reveal the entertainment screen remote. Beneath the screen is a pull-down storage net for loose items. Below the right console is another storage compartment, life jacket, and another compartment for your shoes. For entertainment, there is a 16-inch high-definition touchscreen featuring a wide selection of movies and TV shows on Chris World, Singapore Airlines in-flight entertainment program. Above the seats are adjustable air vents, offering more granular climate control. Most flights out of Changi Airport these days depart from the runway furthest from the airport terminals. This is likely due to the closure of the middle runway, as construction of the new Terminal 5 complex is ongoing. After a rather long taxi, we took off into the beautiful morning sky. As it was a short 1-hour flight, as soon as the seatbelt signs went off, the crew began serving our meals. The tray table slides out from the side console with the push of a button. To simplify the meal service, there were only 2 options: pan-fried salmon or Singapore chicken rice. Book to cook pre-order meals were not available, and passengers with special dietary needs will have to make them known through the app or website before the flight. Nonetheless, the food was incredible for such a short flight. The appetizer was crab meat salad with Japanese omelette and pickles. The main course was pan-seared salmon with roasted farro and fennel. Lastly, champagne to wash it all down. Just as meal service was over, the captain came on the PA and announced that we had begun our descent to Penang. One of the upgrades of the 737 MAX business class seat from the older Silk Air 737s is the ability to transform into a fully flat bed. Simply hold down the recline button. Lastly, the lavatory was quite small and nothing unique. Amenity kits are not often provided or even stocked on short flights like these. But there's no harm in asking. You might get lucky. Inside, you'll find a facial mist, hand lotion, and lip balm. As quickly as our flight began, we soon landed in Penang International Airport. I hope you have enjoyed the Singapore Airlines 737 MAX business class experience. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.